Sun tanning always evokes the idea of long stretches of sandy beaches, a tropical drink in your hand, and even tan lines that make you look like a permanently bronzed goddess. If you want to get rid of your tan and get gorgeous glowing skin, we have some easy remedies using ingredients present in your kitchen. If you're someone who tans very easily, then this tan removal soap is just the right solution for you. To make the soap, you will need white and transparent soap bases, bentonite clay, poppy seeds or khaskhas, papaya essential oil, food coloring, rubbing alcohol also known as isopropyl alcohol, a pretty mold, and some microwavable safe containers. The soap has two sides, one with poppy seeds which acts as an exfoliator and the other with bentonite clay which helps soften the skin. Chop the transparent soap bases into small chunks and microwave in 30-second intervals. Once melted, add a few drops of food color of your choice, 8 drops of papaya essential oil, and a teaspoon of poppy seeds. Stir the mixture before adding it halfway into the mold. Spray rubbing alcohol to avoid bubbles and let the layer set. For the other side, melt small chunks of white soap bases in another container. Add a teaspoon of bentonite clay and a few drops of papaya essential oil before pouring it into the mold. Make sure to spray the first layer with rubbing alcohol before you add the next. Once set, you have your homemade soap all ready to use. This easy DIY soap will wash off your tan in a jiffy and give you soft, glowing skin in a matter of days. If the harsh sun has left you with a stubborn tan that simply refuses to leave, then this concoction is just the answer for you. This homemade face and body mask with curd and orange juice will improve your complexion along with your skin's texture. For this detanning mask, all you'll need is 2 tablespoons of curd and 3 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. Mix well and then apply the mixture to your face and body. Curd helps clear your complexion and reduces tan, while orange juice improves your skin's texture and moisturizes it. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before you wash it off. Repeat this twice a week and you'll see visible results in a matter of days. You can get rid of the dark patches and lines using effective scrubs which will do all the hard work for you. One such scrub is this exotic DIY rose and salt mixture which works wonders to remove pigmentation and bring back your skin's natural glow. To make this exfoliator, add to a bowl 8 teaspoons of finely powdered rock salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of crushed rose petals, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 4 teaspoons of honey, 6 to 8 drops of rose essential oils, and mix it well. Use this mixture in the shower to get rid of dead skin cells and get your glowing complexion back. We hope these simple and natural DIY methods help you achieve a glow that you've always been pining for. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.